Here's a surprising fact that's going to make your jaw drop. Did you know that one avocado packs in more potassium than a banana? Yes, the humble avocado is a nutrient powerhouse, brimming with essentials, including that all-important mineral. That's right, this green fruit contains more of this essential mineral than the go-to source we all know. Avocados aren't just delicious, they're a superfood that's taking the world by storm. Now, you may have heard the term superfood being thrown around, but what does it really mean? In essence, superfoods are nutrient powerhouses that pack large doses of antioxidants, polyphenols, vitamins, and minerals. Eating them can reduce the risk of chronic disease and possibly prolong life. People who eat more of them are healthier and thinner than those who don't. The superstar of this nutritional league is none other than the humble avocado. Its popularity is surging, and for good reason. These creamy fruits are chock full of heart-healthy fats, fiber, and a smorgasbord of vitamins and minerals. They're the perfect addition to your meals, snacks, or even your skincare routine. So next time you're in the grocery store, don't overlook this nutrient-packed powerhouse. Remember, an avocado a day could be the secret to a healthier, happier life. In a world riddled with health issues like obesity and heart disease, could the humble avocado be part of the solution? It's no secret that we're facing a health crisis of epic proportions. From skyrocketing rates of obesity to the prevalence of heart disease, the challenges seem insurmountable. But what if the answer to these problems isn't found in a pill bottle, but in the produce aisle of your local grocery store? Consider this. The diet you're on right now has a massive impact on your health, and I'm not just talking about weight loss. I'm talking about the nutrients your body needs to function optimally. And when it comes to nutrient-dense foods, the avocado is a shining star. Often overlooked, this green gem is packed with monounsaturated fats, which can help decrease LDL, bad cholesterol, while increasing HDL, good cholesterol, both of which are beneficial for lowering heart disease risk. But that's not all. Avocados are also a fantastic source of vitamins and minerals, including potassium and vitamin K, both of which are essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. And let's not forget about fiber. A single avocado contains around 10 grams of it. That's about a third of the recommended daily intake. Fiber helps regulate your digestive system, keeping things running smoothly, if you catch my drift. Plus, it can help you feel fuller for longer, which can be a game changer if you're trying to lose weight. Now, I know what you're thinking. But avocados are high in calories. Yes, they are. But remember, not all calories are created equal. The calories in avocados come from healthy fats and fiber, which your body needs to function properly. Plus, they're incredibly satiating, meaning you're less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks later in the day. So, next time you're at the grocery store, consider adding a few avocados to your cart. Your body will thank you. After all, in the battle against health problems, every little bit helps. And who knows? The avocado might just be the secret weapon in your fight for better health. Avocados are more than just a tasty addition to your salad or toast. They're a powerhouse of health benefits. So, what makes avocados a superfood? For starters, they're packed with monounsaturated fats. Yes, the good kind of fats. They're heart-healthy and help reduce bad cholesterol levels. Who knew something so creamy and delicious could be so beneficial for your heart? But the goodness doesn't stop there. Avocados are a rich source of vitamins, boasting a comprehensive vitamin profile that includes vitamin K, vitamin E, and many of the B vitamins. Vitamin K is vital for bone health, while vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. The B vitamins, on the other hand, are key players in maintaining good energy levels and brain function. Now, that's a lot of health benefits packed into one green package. But wait, there's more. Avocados also provide a generous dose of dietary fiber. A single avocado contains around 25% of the daily recommended fiber intake. This helps in digestion, aids in weight management, and even supports stable blood sugar levels. And for those of you concerned about your eyesight, avocados have got you covered too. They're loaded with the antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin, which are incredibly important for eye health. These nutrients reduce the risk of macular degeneration and cataracts, two very common eye issues. Moreover, avocados are a great source of folate, a crucial nutrient for pregnant women. Folate aids in the development of the fetus's brain and spine, reducing the risk of birth defects. But the avocado's superhero powers don't stop at just being a nutrient powerhouse. They also act as a nutrient booster. You see, some nutrients need fat to be absorbed by the body. And since avocados are rich in healthy fats, they help in absorbing nutrients from other plant foods. So, adding avocados to your salad not only makes it tastier, but also more nutritious. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, the calories. Yes, avocados are high in calories, but remember, they're full of healthy fats and fiber, which can help you feel fuller for longer. So they might actually help you in maintaining your weight, rather than contributing to weight gain. Finally, let's not forget about the mighty avocado's role in skin health. The monounsaturated fats and antioxidants in avocados can help nourish your skin and slow down aging signs. So, eating avocados could quite literally make you glow from the inside out. With avocados in your diet, you're packing in nutrients that your body will thank you for. And remember, folks, the best way to eat an avocado is to enjoy it. Whether you slice it onto your salad, mash it onto your toast, or blend it into your smoothie, just make sure you're enjoying this green superfood in a way that makes you happy. After all, isn't that the key to a healthy lifestyle? You might be wondering, can avocados really make a difference? Well, let's hear it from those who've experienced it firsthand. Picture this. A 40-year-old accountant, let's call him Bob, was struggling with heart health. His cholesterol levels were through the roof, and he was constantly fatigued. Then he stumbled upon the wonders of avocados. Bob began incorporating this superfood into his diet, swapping his usual cheeseburger for an avocado salad. And guess what? Within 6 months, Bob's cholesterol levels dropped significantly, and his energy levels soared. Now, Bob's not just crunching numbers, he's also crunching on avocados. And it's not just Bob. There's also the case of Lisa, a busy mom of 3 who was constantly feeling drained. She started adding avocados to her morning smoothies and afternoon snacks. Not only did Lisa notice an increase in her energy levels, but her skin started glowing and she felt more focused and alert. Avocados turned out to be Lisa's secret weapon for tackling her daily tasks with a smile. These aren't just anecdotes. Science backs up these avocado success stories. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that individuals who consumed avocados regularly had lower body weight, BMI, and waist circumference than those who didn't. Participants also had a significantly higher intake of dietary fiber, vitamins E and K, magnesium, and potassium, all nutrients packed in our humble avocado. Another study in the American Heart Journal showed that adding avocados to a moderate fat diet significantly reduced LDL cholesterol levels, just like our friend Bob experienced. So, whether it's improving heart health, boosting energy levels, or helping maintain a healthy weight, avocados are standing up to the task, proving to be the superfood we all need. See, the power of avocados is real and it's changing lives. From Bob, the accountant, to Lisa, the supermom, avocados are making a difference, one bite at a time. And the best part? This is just the tip of the iceberg. There are countless other stories of transformation out there, all thanks to this nutrient-packed, tasty fruit. It's time to unlock the power of the avocado in your own life. So let's recap. What makes avocados the superfood you need in your life? Well, for starters, these green gems are loaded with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and fiber. They're also bursting with essential vitamins and minerals like potassium, vitamin K, vitamin E, and vitamin C. Avocados are a nutrient-dense food, meaning they pack a lot of nourishment into a relatively small package. They're like nature's own multivitamin, but it doesn't stop there. Did you know that the healthy fats in avocados can help your body absorb other nutrients more effectively? It's true. They're not just good for you. They make other foods better for you too. But the benefits of avocados go beyond just physical health. They can also contribute to your overall well-being. A diet rich in avocados can help you maintain a healthy weight, manage stress, and even sleep better. Incorporating avocados into your diet might just be the game changer you've been looking for. Now that you're armed with all this avocado knowledge, what's next? We'd love to hear your favorite avocado recipes and uses. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more health tips. Start your avocado adventure today and let us know how it goes. Remember, every journey starts with a single step, or in this case, a single slice of avocado.